Good afternoon, students. Our today's topic is related to e-banking. E-banking is also known as internet banking or net banking. So first of all, we will understand the meaning of e-banking. So, bache, what does it mean? So, see, here is a person, and here is a house. So, see that there are so many problems faced by the society for their monetary transactions. So for this purpose, this person is saying that I have to transfer money, but I don't have time. Means to say that he is a salaried person and wants to send the money to their parents, to their family, but how it can be possible, because due to the salaried person, due to the job, he can't go to the bank for this purpose, and he goes to the bank for this purpose and ask from the bank, is there any way to send the money without wasting my time, without coming to the bank? Then bank will say, no problem, do you have internet? If yes, you can do it sitting at home, or sitting at their business places also. So means to say that in electronic banking or internet banking, we can send or we can transfer the money from one place to another, from one account to another account very easily. In this type of banking, we don't need go to the bank for the monetary transaction, for the transferation of our funds. So in this way, this person is supposed to help by the bank, that you can send the money, you can transfer the money for your family by electronic banking. For this purpose, you need not to come to the bank for every month. Okay, so this is the electronic banking, means to say that with the help of internet, with the help of electronic mode, you can transfer their money from one account to another account. So it is a computerized system for performing the financial transaction. Financial means monetary transactions which are related with money. So e-banking is a computerized system through which we can perform all the monetary transactions. Okay, so what are the benefits of e-banking to the customers and to the banks? So first of all, we will discuss about the benefits of the customers. So bache, prompt transparency. Prompt means quickly. So with the help of internet, you can transfer your amount immediately when you are when you want to, when you desire to transfer that particular amount. Means to say that everything is taking place on the digital platform, so it's very quickly you can transfer the money. Second one is 24 hours plus 365 days. So internet banking is possible at anywhere at any time. So 24 hours 365 days, whether it is bank holiday, whether there are banking hours or not, so it's not it doesn't matter, you can transfer your money at night or non banking hours also, anywhere. So as I told you, beta, e-banking services you can enjoy at anywhere at any time. So no need to go to the bank while traveling to, you can transfer your business transactions, or you can do your monetary transactions. Okay, it's not mandatory that you have to go to the bank for this purpose while you are traveling, while you are sitting at your business place, while you are sitting your job place, anywhere you can enjoy this type of facility. Then greater customer satisfaction. So there are so many benefits, means to say that anywhere you can enjoy this facility, anytime you can enjoy this facility, and immediately when you want to transfer these funds, that is also possible. So in this way, customer will maximum satisfied for this services. Okay, so these are the benefits of e-banking to the customers. Now we will discuss about the benefits to the banks. So with the help of e-banking, uh, there are some benefits which are enjoyed by the bank also. So first one is unlimited network. So with the help of with the help of electronic banking services, one bank transfer their funds to the another bank, and second bank is transfer their money to the third bank. So in this way, there is a unlimited network for the transactions. Next one is less manual work. With the help of e-banking, the manual work is automatically reduced. Means to say that in the earlier times, earlier banking times, number of customers will go to the number of customer went to the bank for this purpose. Now without going to the bank, we can enjoy all the monetary transactions. So we can do all the transactions at anywhere at any time. So no need to go to the bank for their filing work, for their manual work. So the burden of the bank employees will automatically reduced. Competitive advantage. location structure of the bank would not matter, beta. So there is no any competition among the different banks, that ki more customer will come, then our bank's reputation will also increase. So in this type of competition is not through the e-banking system. So next one is centralized data. So we can access information sitting anywhere. So as I told you, beta, anywhere anytime you can enjoy these benefits. So the bank can also centralize their data through the e-banking system. Okay, beta. So these are the benefits. So in this way, e-banking doing business transactions with the help of internet. If you have PC, means to say that if you have computers, then you can easily do your business transactions, then you can do easily your banking transactions. So this is the introduction part along with the benefits to the customers and banks. Thank you so much.